Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the ASUS TUF F16 16-inch FHD Plus gaming laptop with the RTX 4050, a machine that feels like a serious upgrade the moment you start using it. From gaming to everyday productivity, it's built to handle heavy workloads without slowing you down. At the heart of the F16 is the Intel Core i5 210H processor, paired with the NVIDIA RTX 4050. Giving you smooth performance in modern AAA games, fast rendering speeds, and reliable multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple apps at once, everything stays responsive. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, switching between tasks feels seamless, even under heavier loads. The 16-inch FHD Plus display with a 144 Hz refresh rate is another big highlight. Gameplay looks fluid, motion stays clean, and the IPS panel delivers sharp detail with vibrant colors from different angles. The RGB backlit keyboard adds that extra gaming touch while staying comfortable for long sessions. You also get a 1TB SSD, which keeps boot times quick and games loading fast, plus enough storage for your projects and media. Overall, the ASUS TUF F16 delivers strong performance, smooth visuals, and solid versatility, making it a great choice for gamers and power users alike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.